This is Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and today I would like to demonstrate you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. That is basically the tool that we will use to conveniently connect ourselves to VPN. So Turbo VPN, here it is. Now you gotta simply launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button. Skip this annoying ad. Then in order to connect yourself to VPN, tap at this caret icon over here. Then OK. As you can clearly see by this VPN indicator at the status bar, the proxy connection was successfully established. While at it, you can change the server or even the country that you are connected to. So per se, I will reconnect myself from Netherlands to France. Then, if you are ready to disconnect, tap at this icon over here, choose the disconnect option. And well, that will be it. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.